Continuing with this box that I got from Subimods. Our next thing we're gonna install is this little AP mount because my current situation is not the best. You see, I have this right here that's holding my AP, and you know, it can get sketchy sometimes of, is that gonna go out the window? You know, but I have it all wrapped through. Not the best, and it could be. So we're gonna install the Mach 5 Accessport vent mount and see how it goes. For step 1, we will be removing our factory defrost vent with our plastic pry tool. Using that same tool, we are going to be removing the side panel. Step 3, with a Phillips screwdriver, we remove one screw. And step 4, we remove the rest of the paneling so we can route the OBD port up through the vent. After you have it routed, you can put the panels back together. Next, we install the bottom part that's going to go where the vent was. This part is a little bit tricky. Think of it as a game of Tetris. Next, we can install the top part that will be holding the access port. Tighten down the 2 Allen bolts, and we're good to go. Much better now. Less worried about that falling out of my window.